Today, I want to encourage you to do something really nice for yourself and take a little break from technology. You won't believe how it's going to make you feel. And if you're worried that somebody's going to try to get a hold of you or that you won't be able to get back to an important text, iPhone actually has this built-in software that lets you send an automatic reply, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Take 30 seconds. Head over to Settings, and then you're going to go to Do Not Disturb right here. And when you scroll down, Do Not Disturb, when you see Activate, we're going to go manually. So that's right here. And then you'll get this opportunity to write an auto reply. And I've already written this. I'm taking a break from technology, unplugging for the next few hours. I'll not be receiving your messages during this time. See techwellness.com to see how to activate this nifty feature. Okay, and so we're going to go back to Settings, and now we're going to go to the Control Center because we're going to let the Control Center know that we want to have that feature, the Do Not Disturb, activated. So it's down here. I'm going to add it, and there it is. It's activated. And now we're going to go to the Control Center and turn it on. And to do that, we're going to hit the driving button, which is also going to turn on the moon. Okay, so now I'm going to use my phone to show you what it's going to look like. So I'll send a text, and then the reply that I receive adds also, if this is an urgent reply, reply urgent, and I'll show you what that looks like. Back here, I will reply urgent, and it will actually break through this Do Not Disturb, which is awesome. Right there. That's it. Try it. Try it for an hour. Try it for 2 hours or even overnight. And I'm just so excited to see what happens. Let us know. I'm August Bryce. Be well.